Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Delta Airlines boarding pass online. This is a super convenient way to skip the airport check-in lines and have your boarding pass ready before you even leave home. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look for the check-in option and click on it. This will take you to the check-in portal where you can access your flight information. Now you'll need to enter some key details to locate your reservation. Type in your confirmation number and the airport you're departing from, then click the red button to proceed. This confirmation number is the unique identifier Delta uses to track your booking, so make sure you have it handy from your booking email. After that, click on Find Flight or Search. This will pull up your specific reservation in Delta's system. If for some reason this doesn't work right away, there's another route you can take. Click on My Trips instead, then enter your first and last name in the fields provided. Once you've typed those in, click the red button to proceed. This alternative method can be helpful if you don't have your confirmation number immediately available. Next, you'll see a screen where you can review your passenger details and seat selections. This is a great opportunity to double-check everything is correct. If you want to add or change your seat, you can do that right here before proceeding. Take a moment to make sure all the information matches your identification, especially if you're traveling internationally. You'll then need to answer any security or travel questions that pop up. For international flights, this might include passport information or customs declarations. For domestic flights, it's usually just a quick confirmation that you haven't packed any prohibited items. Answer these honestly and accurately. Now click Continue or Next until you reach the boarding pass screen. The system will process your check-in and generate your boarding pass. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything loads. Here's where you get to choose how you want to receive your boarding pass. Delta offers several options: mobile, email, or print. If you select mobile, you can add it directly to your phone's wallet app for easy access at the airport. Email is great if you want a backup copy, and print is perfect if you prefer having a physical boarding pass in hand. Click Get Boarding Pass to generate and save it. If you chose the PDF option, it'll download to your device. If you selected the wallet option, it'll be added to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay automatically. Finally, take a moment to verify that your boarding pass shows all your flight details correctly, including the barcode and your seat assignment. It's always a good idea to take a screenshot or print a backup copy just in case you have any issues with your phone at the airport. And there you have it, your Delta boarding pass ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.